Hello and welcome to this video about single variable parameters. We are excited to have you here, and in this video we will talk some about the parameter named as sum or as the sum. This video is different from most other videos in that we won't just tell you how to calculate a sum or make an attempt at defining a sum, but we'll go a bit deeper and talk about what a sum really is, without any excessive use of mathematical notation or mathematics for that matter, which is unusual as a sum most commonly is defined by either program code or a definition in the mathematical language. So let's begin and talk about the details of the sum. So, what is a sum? And today, most people encounters a defined sum as a function in Microsoft Excel, and it looks like the sum on screen. Sum equals, and you get a set of Excel cells. They place references to the cells with values inside the set between parentheses and let Microsoft's function add all the values in the cell together, and there they have a sum. However, in most dialects of mathematics, a process of summation is the addition of a sequence of numbers or other objects, and the result of that process of addition is called a sum. And the sum is the total value if the added objects are numbers with values. And there are many ways to describe a sum using various math signs. For example, on the screen there is a common way of describing the process of summation. You label every object in the sequence to be summed from 0 to n. You let age be the counter and set it to 0. And for every iteration, increase age with 1. Sum from age equals 0 to n and add the values together. And there you have a sum. And for those with coding skills, this expression can be easily translated to a standard loop. And for those interested in math, we can suggest that the term sum most often denotes the outcome of an addition operation. But what exactly is that plus sign? It is a defined addition operator. And different languages of addition may define the addition operator differently, usually depending on the properties of the objects being added together. And in this video, we will only talk about numeric values, which has a well-known and commonly understood definition. So all right, today you have learned a lot about the sum, possibly more than many students learned while spending a decade in school or at a university. And we look forward to see you in the next video.